Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2008 Chevy Aveo, and this car has a issue with the blower motor. So whenever you turn the ignition on and you wanna turn on the fan, it's not coming on. So basically the blower motor is bad. It's only turn on when you hit it from here. You can see there is a motor. When you hit on that, see, it start working, but it's not turning on whenever you are using that button. So today I'll show you how you guys can fix it. So that's the motor you have to replace, and there are 3 screws. Yeah, so here you can see you can use screwdriver to open 3 screws, and you can put it the new one, and yeah, that's how you can change it. So let's start, guys. So first of all, you can remove that one. You can just pull it out. It's pretty easy. It's not a big deal. Like this. And then you have a screw, that one. You can use screwdriver to open this up, and one is over there and one is that, and that's the plug. You have to unplug it. Just give me a second. Or you can just pull it out and then you can unplug it from here. It's pretty easy. You can pinch it down and it will come out. So that's our old motor. That's our new. We got it from Amazon. Let me show you guys. Yeah. So that's our new motor, and that's our old motor. See, it's pretty bad. It get dirty, and over the time it get so to put new one, it's pretty easy. You can use your both hands, and you can just insert it. Like this, or the plug is on the other side, so you can just rotate it like this so that plug will fit properly. Yeah. You have to push it a little bit inside so that it will fit properly. Once you put all bolt back, you can push it down, see, and you can plug that thing back over there. Make sure you plug it properly. You wanna hear a click sound, and then you can tighten all the bolts. So once you are done with everything, you can test it by turn the ignition on and move your fan to number 4 position. See, it's working now. You can hear the noise, and it's working perfectly. It's working on every number. So that's how you guys can change it if something is not working. if your car is not blowing air, it's better you can check the motor, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon. You can get it for 50 60 bucks, and you have to just open the 3 bolt just to change the motor. I hope you guys like my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much guys for watching me. Have a good one.